This, long overdue, brother. Long overdue.
What? Us having a drink?
Nah, man. Drink a one thing. Us living like brothers, so we can rule the world, Papa.
Wow. That is your dream. Me just want to live in it and build house for people. Me no want to rule it.
Alright, so tell me. You and Sandra back together again? Lockdown? Getting it on? Living in holy matrimony? Cheers, man, you're going good. Never thought I'd see the day.
You think you're funny, no? I mean, Sandra, me and her link up back, yes, but right now we kinda take it slow. Good evening, gentlemen.
That sound like we have to give about a week or two to recoup before we start questioning. On to Andrew.
Why, the man big like an ox, but him fast like a plane at the same time. I feel like him collect one shot still, you know, but I never him made a pray. I did have to just make sure say him not the wish power there, so I can get the pastor.
Excellent job as usual in a whisper. The only thing now is that there's no link to this brother Amasu. There's no picture, there's no nothing at all.
Boss, you check your phone? I send you the recording when him talk to Masu before him go for pastor.
I know enough evidence that whisper. Unless him call her full name, Masu is not a name for we work off of. Masu is a pet name.
Well, we have the most important person, our right hand. We just want to get him for talk.
Yeah, that if him decide to talk. The ring are bigger than that woman now. Well, I gonna need some help.
So who we are pre boss? I'm not really trust nobody, you know.
Me need a whisper. Who may I think about might be the only person and the best person for the job.
Trevor, where do you?
Well, I know some of these people come eat, drink and have fun. Our? Are your place?
No, it's a public space.
Oh, okay.
But you're supposed to do that work.
Mr. Wallace, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. But know your face. You're not the development business though. With my brother, don't it?
Yes, until I was pushed out of the business. But guess what? I'm back! As a matter of fact, I was working for your brother.
Was?
Yes. Adam, glad me see you. Because it's right now, I'm tender a verbal resignation. And so tomorrow, I'm going to send you an email to make it official.
I see. So, you understand that means our little deal with me sending money that go with recognition, right?
You don't worry about that. I have that covered.
Good.
Okay? Well, gentlemen, I'm going to check if my food is ready. So, I'll see you.
Okay, listen to yourself.